Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Today we're gonna be doing some gelx nails. I already sized them out and you just want to make sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall. I need to etch them on the inside and I'm gonna be doing this with my tiny sanding band. Alright, the nails are etched. And now I'm gonna file them a little bit more to make sure they fit better to my nail form, because this is kind of round and my nail is more square. So I'm just gonna shape it right here a little bit, make it a little bit more square than round. Okay, and I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm leaving a little gap today. Alright, the nail tips are ready to be applied. I did my nail prep yesterday when I took off my nail set and just put on a peel of base coat. Now I'm gonna be applying nail glue to the nails. And I cannot say that often enough. If you want your nails to last, make sure you apply a primer and dehydrator. But yeah, I'm gonna put some nail glue on the inside of the tip and leave a good amount. These nail tips have more of an apex and my nails are more flat. And I got a gooseneck lamp above me to flash cure the nail. Now I'm just gonna put it on the nail, press it down and flash cure. And I'm doing this to the rest of the nails as well. Alright, nail tips are on. Now I'm gonna be putting it in my full-size nail lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, nails are on. Now I'm gonna be trimming them down. I want these nails to be long, but honestly not too long, so I can still kind of function. Alright, I think this is a good length. Now I'm gonna be blending in the nail tips. Like I said, I left this little gap, so I'm gonna need to seal that in order for the nails not to lift. And also I want to like take the shine away and reshape the nails a little bit, make the free edge nice and crisp. Alright, nails are filed and blend in. Now I'm gonna go in with this Beetles Builder Gel. I want to seal the gap that I left to make the nails look nice and smooth, and that's why I'm going in with some Builder Gel. And also just to give the nails a little bit more strength. Since these nails are quite long, I want them to not be like as much bendable, because these are like, you know, not as sturdy as I would like them to be. All right, I put one layer on. This nail is kind of crooked, but I don't feel like fixing it. I just glued it on crooked, but oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna apply just a second coat to make it a little bit more sturdy. And this time I'm applying a little bit more than the first layer. Like so, and I will be curing, and I'm gonna be doing this to the rest of the nails. I'm just not gonna record it because it's like the same process. 2 layers are on, and now I'm gonna be just buffing the nails a little bit so I can apply some gel polish on top. All right, nails are ready for the nail design. This is the nail inspo for today, and I'm gonna be using this brown color. Never mind, I'm gonna go actually with this brown. I don't like how it has so much of a purple undertone, so I'm just gonna go with like a more plain brown. Alright, I think I'm gonna be using this for my new tone. All right, I ended up doing 3 coats of this. Now I'm gonna be doing a French tip on my pointer finger. All right, French tip is on. I applied 2 layers. Now I'm gonna be doing this nail brown like this, and I'm gonna apply 1 layer of this brown and go over with this glitter brown. I'm just not a big fan of pouring glitter over it because it always goes away so quick, so I'm just gonna be painting a layer of that brown and apply the glitter gel polish on top. Alright, the glitter is on. I quite like it actually. Now I'm gonna apply the charms. I already laid them out. This is how I'm gonna be applying them. And to put them on, I'm gonna be using my rhinestone glue. Alright, now I'm gonna apply some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I had so much fun doing these. These were super easy to do and quick. I really like how these came out. I like the design and everything. The only thing I might not like so much is that the nail looks so chunky, especially like here. But I feel like every time I try to make it smaller, I'm getting this line not right, and I'm filing in too much. And just ignore that this nail is not even. But yeah, let me know if you would recreate these nails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.